Hello all, welcome to Varnari. This is Divya. In today's Diwali special collections, we are going to see very pretty Kalamkari cotton saris. These saris are manufactured in Andhra Pradesh by our Kalamkari artisans, and they are very soft cotton saris, very comfortable to wrap and comes in beautiful color combinations and very different unique kalamkari patterns hand block printed in these saris. They have contrast shaded border, and the very unique feature of these saris are the pallu and the blouse. The pallu is very rich looking with the very pretty kalamkari motifs hand block printed in it. Let's see each and every saree in detail when we get into the video. And for booking any of these sarees, please WhatsApp the numbers given in the description box. Bookings are done only through WhatsApp. These sarees comes with a running blouse and they are priced at rupees 850 plus shipping. Very pretty sarees, comfortable to wrap and perfect for office and college wears and for any even special occasions. The pallu and the blouse makes it very rich looking. And for this Diwali, we have very unique and special collections with the new patterns of hand block printing done from our Kalamkari artisans in different color shades. Only few samples have been shown on this video. More than 50 different collections sarees available. Please WhatsApp us for all the more available sarees and collections. Let's see each and every saree in detail. The first one is a blue shaded saree with a green and grey combination of floral patterns hand block printing done, and this is the pallu of the saree, very pretty with the mango motifs and the floral patterns, and hand block printed in three different layers. And this is the overall view of the saree, very pretty with the border in white shade. Next is a very beautiful yellow shaded saree with a red border, and you can see the floral patterns printed in green and red combination, which makes it very beautiful. And a clear and bright pallu in green and yellow combination. And this is the blouse of the saree, very pretty. And this is the overall view of the saree, such a beautiful and finish. The next saree is a beautiful pink shaded saree, and this is the border of the saree. Wow, very beautiful and elegant peacock hand block printed, and these pallus makes these sarees very rich and special. This is the blouse of the saree, and this is the overall view of the saree, where you can see a border on top of it, beautiful peacocks, and on top of it the floral patterns printed. Very rich looking saree. The next one is a very pretty half white shaded saree in traditional shades of blue, yellow, and red combination, and two beautiful peacocks printed in the pallu, and this is the blouse of the saree. And this is the overall view of the saree, the two sided borders with the floral pattern in between all over. Wow, very elegant black shaded saree, and we get this shade very rare in Kalamkari. Very pretty looking saree with such a stunning pallu with the beautiful peacocks printed, and this is the blouse of the saree. Very rich looking saree. You should never miss this color combinations and in Kalamkari sarees. This is the overall view of the saree. Next is a very traditional shade of kalamkari, a maroon pattern with green and mustard shaded prints all over. And this is the pallu of the saree with multiple layers of prints done, and this is the blouse of the saree. And this is the overall view of the saree. Very pretty and traditional shade in kalamkari sarees. And this is another colorful color combinations in a white shaded kalamkari saree with a blue border. And you can see how beautiful the creepers have been printed in blue, orange and green combinations with a blue border in it. Wow, such a lovely pallu with a very majestic peacock with intricate work in it, and beautiful blouse. This is the overall view of the saree. Next is a blue with the green combination, another unique and elegant combination, and the border as is in white shade with a very elegant prints in it, and very clean and neatly done pallu with the mangoes and floral prints in it, and this is the blouse of the saree. And this is the overall view of the saree. Very unique and elegant saree. The next one is a pretty ink blue shaded saree with a red combination, and the border is very beautifully printed. Wow, such a rich looking pallu with the chariot print done in it. This is one of the recent print introduced by our Kalamkari weavers. And this is the overall view of the saree, the both the sides borders and very beautiful creepers pattern printed. This is another very pretty green shaded saree with the red combination, and you can see red shades of print done. Wow, such a beautiful pallu, very colorful, and this is the blouse of the saree. And in the overall view you can see the border very pretty in red color, on top of it peacock's pattern printed, and on top of it beautiful floral prints all over. For more such beautiful collections, please WhatsApp us. For booking any of these sarees, reach out to us in the WhatsApp number given in the description box. Thank you for watching.